Hi everyone, welcome to our webinar today. My name is Becky Price and I am a regional sales manager with Allison's Pantry, and I'm also a sales rep in Wyoming. And I am really excited today to be here to talk to you about the great frozen treats that will become available in catalog number 5, and to give you some fun ideas on how to use our Monin syrups and our DaVinci fruit syrups. Before I get into covering our frozen treats, I want to thank a couple of my great sales reps here. I did not have any samples to show you, and so they were willing to part with some of their stash from last summer so that I could have some samples. So thank you, Kayla Lauder, thank you, Lindsay Willie, for sharing your great products with me so I'd have them to show today, because we did not get them in the warehouse yet. So I'm excited I had product to actually show you. So let's get into how great this product is. First is our Barks root beer floats. These are wonderful. If you love root beer floats, you're going to love these frozen Barks root beer floats. They take frozen Barks root beer and they swirl it with a very rich vanilla ice cream, and they are to die for. You will absolutely love them. They come in a case of 24, and this is a 3-ounce tube. So perfect way to enjoy a root beer float without the mess. They are so convenient and wonderful. The next product is our whole fruit tubes. These come also in a 3-ounce tube, and they come in a case of 24. And you're going to get these 3 flavors: apple cherry, apple grape, and apple strawberry. These are such a wonderful treat. They are made with 90% juice, they are fat-free, they are organic, and there's only 60 calories in each tube. So kind of a healthier alternative if you're looking for a great frozen treat for the summertime. Next are our Luigi's Real Italian Ices. These are wonderful. These come in a 4-ounce tube, and they are made with real fruit and real fruit juice, and they will give you kind of the taste of a very high quality dessert, but at a fraction of the calories. There's only 90 calories in this 4-ounce tube, and they are also fat-free, they are dairy-free, and they are gluten-free. And we're going to offer them in 4 great flavors. You can choose from cherry, lemon, strawberry, and mango, which is my favorite. So you're going to love these. They come in a case of 24. So it's another great treat to look forward to. The next product are Icy products. Icy has been around since 1967. So when I was growing up, we could get them in the cups like a Slurpee today, but now we have them available to us in these great convenient tubes or these Icy cups. So with the tubes, they'll come in a variety pack of both flavors. There'll be 15 of each flavor. You'll get the wild cherry and you'll get the blue raspberry in the variety pack, and that's a case of 30. Or you can get them in these 4-ounce cups, and then you can choose to get them in a case of 48, and you can get the wild cherry or you can get the blue raspberry, so you can get them separate in the cups. So we're really excited about these great products. They are a great alternative to ice cream. They are fat-free, they are cholesterol-free, they are dairy-free, they are gluten-free, and there are 0 grams of trans fat in them, and each serving gives you 100% of the RDA of vitamin C. So another great frozen treat for the summer. Now, the one I do not have to show you is the Minute Maid Soft Frozen Lemonade Cups. These are a great treat. It's a burst of fruit in every mouthful, and we're going to offer them in 4 great flavors. You can choose from orangeade, lemon, strawberry, and cherry lime. Now, they come in a 12-ounce cup, so much bigger size, and there's 12 of those in a case. They are made with real fruit juice. So we'll have 6 great frozen treats for you to try this summer. You're going to love every single one of them. They are so good. And I'm so excited to tell you that Allison's Pantry wants to support our sales reps. So sales reps, look for a sample packet of these wonderful summer treats, frozen treats, in your number 4 delivery. Allison's Pantry wants to support your business. And so they're going to send you 1 of the J&J Super Pretzels. You're going to get 2 tubes of the Barks Frozen Root Beer Floats. You're going to get 1 each of these whole fruit tubes, 1 each of the flavors. You're going to get 2 each of the icy tubes, so 2 of each flavor, and you're going to get 1 12-ounce cup of the Minute Maid frozen strawberry lemonade. So you get to try these ahead of time before they come out in catalog 5 so that you can share with your wonderful customers how great these products are. So we're really excited to support you in your business, so look forward to those samples coming with your number 4 delivery. Now, very quickly, I want to talk about taking care of these frozen products. They defrost quickly. They are defrosting on my table as we speak. When you get them on the truck, they need to go into the freezer immediately because they do defrost fairly quickly. These are already soft. You don't want to refreeze them for your customers because it is going to reduce the quality of the product. It is going to leak. If it starts to defrost, it could leak. And so you want to be super, super careful with these frozen items. As soon as they come off the truck, they need to go into a freezer immediately. Please do not let them sit around for any time frame. When we get to our newer delivery schedule where everything's already packaged up by customer, you're going to need to look at each customer's invoice to see who's got those type of products and get them into the freezer. No matter when they're coming to get their product, even if they say they're going to be there right away, you're going to want to get those particular customers' orders into the freezer immediately so that these kind of items do not defrost on you. All right, I'm ready to go over our great syrups that we have that are coming in the catalog. The DaVinci Syrups, we have 3 very high quality, very tasty fruit syrups from DaVinci. We have raspberry, we have peach, and we have strawberry. These are just an amazing syrup, and you can add them to so many different things. And the fun thing is we now are offering Monin in a blackberry and a coconut. So I would like to share these great syrups with you and show you some ways to use them. And the fun part is every one of these recipes I'm going to give you, you can interchange these different syrups. They will all work really great with them. So with the DaVinci, we also have available a pump. These are wonderful. And in measuring these out, 1 pump is equal to 1/4 of an ounce. So when these recipes call for 0.75 ounces or 1 ounce or 1.5 ounce, 1 pump is 1/4 of an ounce. 1/4 of an ounce is also equal to 1.5 teaspoons. Just so you know, a 1/4 of an ounce is 1.5 teaspoons. So with the Monin, because we don't have a pump for them, I'll be measuring those with a teaspoon. So here we go. Here's some fun recipes for you using these syrups. All right, we're going to start with these great syrups, and these recipes that I'm going to give you, you can actually use any one of the syrups in the same amounts to make different versions. So the first one we're going to do is a flavored lemonade, and I'm going to use the peach DaVinci syrup. So with the lemonade, you're going to want to have a container. I love our cute little mason jars. Container full of ice, 16 ounces of ice. Then you're going to take 7 ounces of lemonade, which is just under 1 cup. Okay, and you need 3 squirts. Now remember that each pump is 1/4 of an ounce, so it's going to take 3/4 of an ounce of the syrup. So we're going to do 3 squirts in. All right, into a cup. Then we're going to add the lemonade and we're going to mix it up. I love flavored lemonades, and it's so great because if I'm in the mood for peach, I can do peach. If I'm in the mood for the strawberry or the raspberry or the blackberry or even the coconut, it is just wonderful, every one of them. And then you just take that and pour it over your ice, and it is ready to go. Look how yummy that looks. We'll garnish it with a little slice of lemon, and there's our flavored lemonade ready to go. All right, the next thing we're going to make is an Italian soda. So with the Monins, we don't have pumps for them, so I want to kind of give you some conversions, and I'll include that with the recipe sheet. 1/4 of an ounce equals 1.5 teaspoons. So this is going to call for 2 ounces, which is equal to 2 tablespoons of the Monin blackberry syrup. We're going to do the blackberry. So we're going to put 4 tablespoons of syrup, which equals 2 ounces. So 1 tablespoon of syrup is equal to 1/2 an ounce. So if you don't have the pumps and you're not using the DaVinci, then you need to measure them out with your tablespoons. So we have some really awesome tablespoons that we can use from NordPro. Okay, so we have 4 tablespoons of the Monin berry. Then we're going to do 6 ounces of soda water. Now that is 3/4 of a cup, by the way. So I have some sparkling soda water here. And we're going to add 3/4 of a cup to our syrup. There we go. And then to that, we're going to add 1 ounce of half and half. Okay, and remember that 1 ounce is 1 tablespoon. There we go. Now we'll mix it all up. Ooh, that looks wonderful. You got it all mixed up. And then you pour it over your ice and you're ready to drink it. Look how yummy that looks. Ooh, and it fizzed really well. There you go. There is a blackberry Italian soda. And you could add sliced or frozen blackberries with that too. The next recipe I'm going to share with you is spa water. So again, any one of these flavors will work great. Just whichever the flavor you use, you want to have fresh or even frozen diced fruit to go with it. So I'm going to do a strawberry spa water. So I have taken my 16 ounce glass and I'm going to put 1 squirt, or 1 squirt equals 1.5 teaspoons of the strawberry syrup. Let's get it pumped up here. There we go. Okay, so 1 squirt of strawberry syrup. Then I'm going to put in 2 diced up strawberries. Then we're going to add sparkling water. There we go. And very carefully you want to mix it up. Just kind of push everything in there. It's almost too much, isn't it? There we go. You can push the strawberries down into it to kind of mix it in. And this would be great with, like I said, our diced fruit. Our diced peaches would go really great with our peach syrup. Raspberries with our raspberry syrup. So this is just a really fun, great way to use our syrups also. So there you go, strawberry spa water. The next fun summer drink is actually a flavored hot chocolate. Now, honestly, I wouldn't think of hot chocolate during the summer, but sometimes there's some really cool mornings, or if you're out camping, it can get a little bit chilly. So this is a fun way to kind of change that regular hot cocoa into something a little bit more special. So this one's super, super easy also. We're just going to do 1 squirt of our raspberry DaVinci syrup. A little bit more. And again, if you want to try these other flavors, the coconut, the blackberry, any one of these would work fine. Then you're going to take 6 ounces of your hot chocolate, and as you pour it in, just stir it in so that syrup stirs in nice and even. There we go. Strawberry hot cocoa, and then what makes it even better, but a little bit of whipped cream on top. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, the last recipe I'm going to share with you is a milkshake recipe that, again, any one of these syrups will work great with it. I'm going to do the coconut. I'm going to make a coconut banana milkshake. So you're going to take your syrup, and with the Monins, we don't have a pump, but you need 1 ounce of syrup, which will equal 2 tablespoons. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of syrup in, and if you haven't tasted the coconut, it's delicious. very, very authentic coconut flavor. It's wonderful. I just had a sales rep tell me that she loves to put it in her coffee in the morning. So the syrups are great for not just hot cocos, but coffees. Besides the lemonade, you could use them with your iced teas. Super, super versatile. They can just flavor so many things. You can put them on ice cream as a topping. Just lots of different ways to use it. So, okay, 1 ounce of the syrup, which is 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to put 1 1/3 cups of ice cream, and I just have regular vanilla. So we're going to put 1 1/3 cups of vanilla ice cream. All right, so that's about 1 1/3 cups of ice cream. Okay, so we're gonna put that in the blender. Now we'll add 1/2 of a fresh banana, or you could do our frozen bananas too. And then you're going to add 1 ounce of milk, which is 2 tablespoons. And I use dry milk to mix up what I need. So there we go. And you turn on your blender and mix it until it's smooth. All right. Fast, simple, and you've got a delicious milkshake. And really, you can make it with any of them. Use our strawberries with fresh or frozen strawberries in it, our peaches with our diced peaches, our peach slices. The blackberries would be great. You could even use our triple berry blend in it. And if you like them thicker, you can add more ice cream. If you like them thinner, less ice cream. Perfect, perfect way. And then you can just put a couple more slices of fresh banana on it if you like to garnish. And there you go. You've got a coconut banana ice cream or milkshake. So there you have it. Some of our great frozen treats and some great summer drink ideas using our wonderful Monin and DaVinci syrups. I hope you've learned a few things and you're excited to use these products. Thank you so much.